this is how boring we are because obviously nobody's talking, and let's see what they're making. Ooh, Lisa's hair. Lisa looking. Ooh, yum.
Do you want to try one?
Let's see.
Super good.
Oh no, it looks so good. Is it dry yet?
Yeah.
I need to eat. Which one is?
This one?
Can I have it? Are you sure? Okay, thanks. This just shows how much of a pig I am. How are you giving me?
Ooh. Look at Galina. She's eating it.
Whatever. Okay. Now let's look at Lisa. Ooh, sorry. I had a close up of your boobs. Anyway, this is Lisa, the lovely Lisa. She's taller than me now. Damn her. With honey. Drink some water. Damn, why is it so like close up? Oh. No, it's just close up. Yeah.
Oh,
I'm my brother.
Everybody is. I'm 20.
How old are you?
I'm 20.
How old are you?
16 and what's your phone?
In my back pocket. Alice! The wonderful Alice. Let's look at her entire wardrobe. Ooh, sexy. Okay, anyway. Alice, look at the camera and tell us how old you are.
So
You're 10? Ooh, okay. Liberty? Okay. This is what she's wearing today. Now what are you? Okay, how old are you?
11.
You're 11? Okay. Lucy, last but not least. Okay.
Well, we met that one for sure.
Yeah, definitely. Okay. Lisa, now tell us. Look in the camera and tell us how old you are.
I'm 14. Almost 15.
You're 14, almost 15? Do you have your thing yet? Oh, never mind. Not that thing, you gay fag. Okay.
What thing?
Your permit, my gosh. Dirty-minded person.
I have my blue card.
Your blue card. Oh yeah. Yeah. Because you're not old enough yet.
Over to me to hold. And then, how old are you?
Okay, my hair. My name is Galina, and I
Look at her poise.
Okay, anyway.
There goes Joe over there. I guess we'll come back to it.
Yeah,
I don't know.
we'll see you later.
We'll see you.